Hello guys, today I would like to show you how to lock at all exposure in your RunCam 5 Orange, because as I know many people have problem with this. I asked RunCam team about this and the official answer was that it is not possible to lock the exposure at all, but this is not true. Today I will show you how to do this. So now I will show you where the problem is. So now we have to go to the RunCam app and I will set the shutter speed and the ISO as you can see here. So for example, for GoPro, in this case the exposure should be locked at all, but as you can see here, it's not for RunCam 5 Orange. Now I will show you how to fix this issue. So we have to go to RunCam app again and you have to go to general settings and change your exposure compensation to 2.0 and it's all. Now you can see the result, and as you can see here the exposure is locked at all. Of course I'm using here ND8 filter, but it's not important at this moment. You can use it or not. Problem is solved, and it's not true that it's not possible to set exposure, to lock exposure at all. So I hope this tutorial is helpful for you and see you next time. Bye bye.